Hi iScanner enthusiasts, you're on the iScanner channel. Here we talk about scanning hacks, productivity tips, and strategies for organizing your paperwork. Make sure to subscribe to our channel now for more insights on your business needs. My name's Rebecca and I'm an entrepreneur/content creator. In this video, we talk about how to make your business sustainable on a budget. Let's talk about why going green is so important. Businesses have a massive impact on the environment. And with climate change becoming more and more serious, companies really need to cut back on their carbon emissions. This topic is just super important and also just essential for small business owners. Plus, governments are also just making stricter rules about the environment. And let's not forget about consumer demand. What's really important to people today is to support businesses that actually care about the planet. Going green not only boosts your brands, but it also attracts a really loyal customer base and of course gives you a competitive edge. According to the Customer Sustainability Report of 2025, 72% of Gen Zers really believe that they're actually very influential in shaping the sustainability of others. And another 37% actually recommend sustainable brands to family and friends. Who doesn't want that, right? Remember that sustainability isn't just about your actions, it's about sharing your journey as well. Talk about your family, your friends, and your customers. Celebrate your green efforts and help inspire people to start living in a more sustainable way. So you might be asking yourself, well, isn't going green really expensive? Let's break it down. So there might be some upfront costs, but the benefits are really clear. Energy efficient solutions and waste reduction aren't just good for the planet, they're amazing for your business too. In the long run, these green practices can significantly lower your operational costs. So we've chosen 5 ideas on how you can make your business more sustainable on a budget. Number 1 is energy efficiency. Switch to LED lighting and energy efficient appliances. You can also consider adding motion sensors or smart thermostats to really cut down on those energy charges. These small changes can save so much money on electricity over time. But why stop there? And if you want to get really innovative, you can always check out kinetic flooring. Kinetic flooring is actually really interesting because it actually generates energy to power small devices. Number 2, waste reduction. Start a recycling program and cut down on recycling waste. And guys, seriously, every little bit helps. And try partnering with local businesses to create a circular waste program. This is where one company's waste might become another company's resources. 3, sustainable sourcing. A really good option is to actually find suppliers who use sustainable practices, such as using recycled materials. However, if your costs are continuing to rise, a really good option is to actually look into partnering with a local vendor. What I love about this is it's actually a great opportunity to partner with people who actually share about similar values. Number 4, remote work and digital solutions. Encourage remote work and go digital. Trust me, from someone that works from home, I love this. Less commuting means less emissions. And like I said before, who doesn't love working from home? And working remote isn't just a chance to cut emissions, it's also a really great opportunity to work with other individuals worldwide. Number 5, digitalize paper documents. You can always scan an original document and then keep a digital copy at hand at all times. You can also find solutions and tools to edit your documents digitally, which will help cut back on printing drastically. This sounds pretty good, right? The best part is that you don't need a large, bulky scanner to do the work. A great helper here is the iScannerApp. It allows you to scan multiple documents in perfect quality in barely any time. And you can sign and edit PDFs without printing them. But wait, there's more. What makes iScanner extra special is its eco-friendly feature. It actually tracks your environmental impact. And every time you scan a document, the app actually calculates how many trees you're helping to save. One of the best features is that your personal progress, along with the collective's impact for all iScanner users, is right there on the homepage. And you even get a really nice looking certificate that shows your achievement and environmental impact. And as I mentioned earlier, celebrating your green efforts is so important. You can download it, print it out, hang it on your wall, and even share it on your business's social media pages. And that's what I'm about to do. I think what I'll end up doing is probably just hanging it somewhere on my wall over here in my little home office. And that way it's something that I can actually be proud of every single day when I come into work, and something that my future clients can see as well. So there you have it. Going green isn't just an ethical choice, it's actually a very smart business move. By embracing sustainability, you're investing in a better future for the planet and for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and let's make it happen.